Hey, it's the Midnight Raven, and today we are batch filming still. It is getting on in the evening, although it has become a lot cooler when I first started filming. You can probably tell. But today we are opening another pain in my rear box, as I call it. The HMV mystery box. I know, you're going to say, Raven, why have you got some more of these? They were terrible. They had repeats in. And you know what? I don't know why. I literally went out with my son and ended up buying these because I'm crazy. Literally, like, do that. But if you want to help fund my habit of buying stuff that's terrible, consider PayPal, Super Chat, Super Thanks, or become a member and support my channel and my addiction to mystery boxes. So in this box, you will find £25 worth of value, apparently, for £9.99, and you will find at least 5 items. Each of these will contain something like TV, film, games, and all that kind of stuff. Normally, it's just Games of Thrones and Frozen, and we yell at the TV for half an hour. But we shall see. Let's take a look. Go to your local HMV, test out these boxes. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you had these boxes? Do you get the same items every time? Do you literally want to shout at HMV? Let's take a look. Are they all going to be repeats? Is the question. So we're going to get seated and dive in. Okay, so first thing I can see that is a repeat, that I believe is a repeat, is this My Hero Academia official keychain. I believe I've had this numerous times, and I'm actually going to send them to my friend to Emily. If Emily is watching, I know you love My Hero Academia. Once I get a big collection of these, and I will do because they keep putting them in the boxes, I will send you all these key rings, and you can adorn your work keys on them with pride. No idea who the guy is, it doesn't say, but there you go. So, keyring. Item number 1. Okay, item number 2. Let's get into the mug. So, generally, 90% of the time you get a mug of some description. Today, it just happens to be a good mug day, and that happens to be Ghostbusters. This is a mug I don't have from the boxes, and it is a new item. Hallelujah. So this is the Ghostbusters official mug. Anything cool about it? It just says everyday mug. Pretty much it is the Ghostbusters symbol. And to be honest, it's not a bad mug. It is just a normal everyday mug. All the information underneath. It is official merchandise as well, brought to you by Pyramid, the art group. Love a nice mug, and I think that's perfect. Probably going to be my favourite item, but let's not jump the gun quite yet, because we have a repeat item, and the repeat item is the Star Wars notebook. I actually gave one of these to my son for his birthday to write notes in, jot stuff down, put his shifts in for work. It is a nice notebook, mind you. It is lined. Does have some little stormtroopers in the inside and on the bottom of the page. My son is crazy for Star Wars. Made the perfect gift for him with work. He can put his shifts in it, write a shopping list, anything that a teenager's heart needs to write down, maybe cheat codes, I don't know. Get a notebook. So, not a bad item, but it is a repeat. And to be fair, not sure about the keychains, so we're not doing too bad, like 50-50 right now on repeats. So, moving on, we have a sticker, and this is Birds of Prey. This is obviously Harley Quinn there. So it is just a sticker, literally what we call a filler item in mystery boxes. Usually stickers or pins or badges are usually fillers, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Okay, next we have something from, I'm going to say this is Dragon Ball Z, and it is some colouring pencils. I don't know if I can get the top off. Here we go. Colouring pencils, and inside the colouring pencils, if you look in there, there is some colouring sheets. Now, I'm not going to take them out because I probably won't be able to get them back in. But the pencils are adorned with a design, which is pretty cool. You get coloured pencils, and you get, I think it's two posters included of Dragon Ball Z. So we've never had, don't remember it, we might have had Dragon Ball Z figures, but I don't think we've ever had pencils. We've had like the little minifigs that you put together. The Dragon Ball pencil, these have been quite cool. You obviously wouldn't take them to school because it's a little bit bulky. And then to go with your essential school items as we go back to school, although we're only in July, this is the reusable case Dragon Ball Z set. So we've got a school set. So we've got a pencil, a sharpener, rubber, pen, and a ruler in a nice clear case that says Dragon Ball Z. So this is quite cool because when you do your exams at school, you have to have a clear pencil case. And this would be perfect because it's a clear pencil case. You can see everything in it, no cheating. And it's official Dragon Ball Z stuff. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so that's new. And then we have, Harry Potter. And this is a poster set. Okay. So it's 3 separate posters that when you put them together, make an entire picture. So here we have the 3. So we have this one, which has, I believe that's Ron. Then you got Harry Potter. Then you got Hermione. And then when you put them together, it creates this poster of Hermione, Harry, Ron, and the others who I don't know, because I'm not into Harry Potter. And it makes an entire picture. So you can put these on your wall. Technically, individually, they are 3 pictures, or put them together and make an entire poster wall. Now, I hate to say that, but that's actually quite cool. I don't like Harry Potter, but if it was a different thing, then maybe. So, all in all, this box was actually different. I know, my heart is literally about to have a heart attack. But the poster, the pencil set, even the sticker, I believe, was new. The pencils were new. And I don't remember having a Ghostbusters mug. So these were all the new items. Not bad. We also got over 5 items, which is also a plus. The only 2 repeats we had, which I believe I've had one of these before, and the notebook. Which, the notebook is handy because I'll probably give my son one at Christmas because he'd have probably used the other one by then. But my favourite item of the day is the Ghostbusters mug. Probably will put this in my collection because I collect like mugs of like TV programs and that. I do have a Deadpool one. I do have a Pac-Man one. I do have a select few mugs that I do keep from the boxes. So I am probably going to keep the Ghostbusters one, or if I don't, I usually sell them on Facebook Marketplace. So all in all, must say, apart from the book, which I can give to my son at the end of the year, and the keychain, this box was actually different. So I am surprised there's no Game of Thrones, there's no Frozen. It's actually a cool box this month. So I do have 2 other boxes. I do have the coral, red, pink, whatever it is. And then also do have a blue box. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed that the other 2 boxes are different. So if you like this video, do consider liking and subscribing. It only costs $9.99 for this box, and we probably got £25 worth of value in there, which is strange because we don't usually. But if you want to fund my habit of mystery boxes, consider becoming a member for 99p a month and getting extra behind the scene videos, or a super chat, a super thanks, or a PayPal, and it all goes back into my channel because I can't stop buying mystery boxes and you know you want to see me open them. So if you want to like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram for pictures of this box, and I will see you very soon. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.